My name is Andrew Reed, Technical Marketing Specialist for Herbicides at BASF Canada. Today we're going to talk about utilizing a pre-harvest application such as heatlq plus glyphosate on your canola and cereals. It's very important when you're going to apply your pre-harvest application that you're timing it appropriately. heatlq plus glyphosate can help dry down your broadleaf crops and weeds, but it doesn't actually really help your cereal crop dry down. So it's very important to make sure your crop is actually at physiological maturity before you apply your pre-harvest application of heatlq plus glyphosate. So let's start with canola. Canola, when you're staging it, you want to look at the main raceme, or that first stem that flowered. You want to hit it at about 80% seed color change, which is about the same timing as a very late swathing timing on your canola crop. Looking at cereals, you want to hit it at less than 30% seed moisture, or the hard dough stage. So get out there, pull some heads off, check some seeds to make sure that you're at that proper timing that's actually physiological maturity. So it's very important when you're looking at applying heatlq plus glyphosate, whether it's on canola or on your cereals, you double check your product labels for pre-harvest intervals. Heat by itself is generally about 3 days pre-harvest interval, but when you tank mix it with glyphosate, it's actually a 7-day pre-harvest interval. And it's very important to make sure that you weight that minimum PHI before performing any harvest operation. A harvest operation includes things such as swathing. So if you spray your canola, you spray your cereals, you've got some cold weather or frost on the horizon, you want to go out and swath within 2 to 3 days, you actually have to wait that 7 days with that tank mix before you even swath your crop. And that's just to make sure that we don't have any excess residues in that harvested grain when you go to the elevator. So if you have any other questions about heatlq as a pre-harvest application, whether it's in canola or cereals or any of the other crops that it's registered for pre-harvest usage on, double check our website at agsolutions.ca. You can contact your local BASF representative with any questions. If you want to see other videos on how to properly stage a little bit more in depth on all these other crops, visit our virtual plot tour website through our agsolutions.ca link.